don't buy the S23 Ultra or the S23 or the S23 Plus. Hear me out and let me help you save some money and not make a bad decision. What's going to happen in the next couple of days? Well, I know the S24 series phone is coming out, and I've seen some deals, I've seen some commercials. I saw a Verizon commercial today. It's like, hey, we can go trade in our old phone and get an S23 Plus on them. Well, you'll be able to do probably nearly the same thing in the next week when it comes to the S24. The S23 series phones are fantastic. S23 Ultra, best phone of 2023. And it's still a really good phone, and it's going to be a good phone for years. But hold off. Let me do you a favor. Because the S24 is going to be better. It's going to have better things. It's going to have, of course, Samsung's AI for all. It's going to have the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3, which is really cool. It's going to be the latest and greatest. It's already the latest and greatest from Qualcomm. And we're looking at updated cameras, so you can have more zoom capabilities up close and kind of mid-range instead of just that 10 times zoom. We're looking at other things like maybe some boost in RAM for certain models. We're looking at maybe, well, actually not even maybe, we're going to have brighter screens. They're supposed to be, I think, like 2600 nits brightness or something. They're going to be crazy bright. And I think the S23 Ultra is even going to have like titanium. I don't know. There's so many things and so many reasons. And one other big reason, if you actually care about this. So I was reading, and I've been hearing rumors from people saying that Samsung might be boosting their warranty and their support to 7 years. Well, not the warranty, but the software updates and security updates. Right now, if you get the S23 Ultra, you get, well, you did get 4 years. We're right on the precipice because it came out the first week of February of 2023. But it was 4 years of operating system updates, 5 years of security patches. What I'm hearing is that they might be matching Google and going to 7 years of operating system updates and 7 years of security patches. That might appeal to you. And I gotta say, I have a little bit more confidence in the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 and what Samsung's done to last a little bit longer than I do with Google. But I still don't think 7 years is really that realistic. I think 5 is really good. I advocated and think that Samsung should do 5 and 5. 5 years of operating system updates, 5 years of security patches. I think that's really good. But if they go to 7 and 7, that may make a bunch of people really happy. So if you only buy a new phone every 4 or 5 years, if you want the best you can possibly get, we're going to be seeing deals. And right now, if you want, you can save $50. I've got a link in the description. You can go to the reserve your pre-order page. Of course, this will end once the actual phone gets here. So you got to do this in the next couple of days from watching this video. But if you go sign up, put your first name, your last name, and your email, you can get free $50 towards extras when you pre-order the phone through Samsung. So let's say you pre-order it, they give you your whatever your trade-in amount is, and then you buy it. They always have extras they offer, like chargers, charging cables, wireless chargers, watches, all sorts of things. So in that, you can use the free $50. So a lot of people like to complain, oh, there's no charger. You can get a charger with the free $50. So you can use it. You may not need a charger. And then you can use it towards a case. And I got to say, Samsung's cases, their OEM manufacturer cases are some of the best. And I absolutely love their leather cases. I get them for basically every phone. I still have mine for my S23 Ultra. And I absolutely love this case. So those are kind of some reasons. Don't buy last year's phone because they're like, oh, you can get an S23 Plus on us or an S23 on us. Most carriers, you're going to be able to get an S24 and S24 Plus on us or them for the exact same thing. They're just trying to push inventory out the door. So don't fall for it. Absolutely don't fall for it. Wait and then get the S24. Now, here's another thing. There will be more savings that are coming. So if you show up and you see the S24 comes out and it's not really anything you're necessarily interested in, the reviews are like, hey, it's not that much better than last year, the AI sucks, the S23 Ultra is waiting in the wings. And they'll probably have more incentives and deals on it too. So we're so close, I don't advocate buying the older one because you'll be able to get better deals or just as good a deals on the new one. So it makes sense. Plus, especially if they push out the support even further, if they give you even better camera capabilities, all sorts of things, bigger, brighter screen, all that great stuff. So that's why I am hesitant about saying, don't go out and buy it. We always run into this gulf. And there's always a Twitter post that somebody puts out that says, hey, I hope you didn't buy an iPhone today, the day before the iPhone comes out. Or, hey, I hope you didn't buy an S23 the day before the S24 comes out, because it's right around the corner. We're talking about January the 17th. We're going to have the Unpacked event. This phone will be obsolete. Actually, it won't be. It's still going to be good for very, very many years. And the S23 Ultra, It's a fantastic phone. Now, should you upgrade? That's a whole nother story, and I made a video about that you can watch. But as far as buying one right now, don't do it. Let me save you some time, money, energy, heartache, and making a bad decision, because S24, just a couple of days. So like I said, link in the description. You can go do your reserve your pre-order, secure that $50 of credit if you're going to buy it through Samsung, and wait and enjoy the Unpacked event that's going to happen on January the 17th, and then we'll see what all the amazing stuff that we get is. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments, please go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, if you found this helpful, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.